Yo. You thought I was joking. It's day number 2.
I told you I was gonna do day 2. The reason why I have glasses on right now is because my eyes are completely bloodshot from editing till 5 in the morning. So I need to go light that last one. Where's my cat? Usually when I just shake this container, she'll come running out. She'll usually probably come from that corner over there. There she is, there she is. She doesn't really like being touched, so I have to kind of bribe her with food. Come on, come.
Oh, hell
Yo,
no.
Din Din, come, it is breakfast. She's terrified of you. Back up a little bit. We call her Gray. Gray, bring it. Come. There you go, and then I gotta like lure her in with little bitty treats here and there. Yes. Yes. Here. She's just very shy, I think. Okay, here, you're here now. I'll give you here's your worth.
Boy, ain't no way, boy.
Well, I just wanted y'all to meet Gray. She's been in the family for maybe like 2 or 3 years. We did have another cat, but clearly she's not here. She ran away. I think she started like her own fight club or something.
By your foot or your hand. There you go.
We're headed to the gym, but after I forgot to mention that I'm doing a videography job for a friend, and more than likely gonna post the edit probably like right here. Finished with our chest day, bro. Alright. We went to Sam's to get some meat and other groceries for ramen, but instead we walked out with pizza. This pizza is better than like 90% of the pizza places around here, like Papa John's, Domino's. Look at this. What the hell? I thought you ordered like regular pepperoni.
I got a 16-inch pizza.
Oh, hell no.
Okay.
It's still finna be good.
It's still gonna be good though. Let's eat a slice. Ooh. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my god. Wow, that's so
Hot?
good. Yeah. It's good too.
Napkin.
Mm.
You can't even face it.
Alright, y'all. Let me take one more bite. What? What? We're trying to keep these short, about like maybe 4 to 6 minutes each vlog, so that way it's not too much for me to edit. Gonna go ahead, wash the car, and then get some food. So, all right, I'll see y'all later.